Let's start. The project name is Chips and Chips Group. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. Here we have various chips and chips groups like action chips, filter chips, choice chips, etc. The UI is going to be huge, just follow along. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. This is the data member. In the onCreate function, first, we set the onClick listeners for the various chips and chip groups. In the onClick function, when the chips are clicked, we show a toast. Continuing in the onCreate function. When the cancel button on the entry chip is clicked, we remove that entry from the UI. Similarly, we do this for other entry chips as well. Here, when a group of choice chips is clicked, we find out which chip was clicked, and show its name in the toast. Here, when a group of entry chips is clicked, we find out which chip was clicked, and show its name in the toast. At last, we call the getMultipleCheckedFilterChips function. In this function, we find out which filter chips are clicked, and we show their names in the toast. Here we can select multiple chips at a time. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement the chips and chips groups in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.